Want to set nickname on Instagram but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to see a nickname on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, launch the Instagram app on your device. After that, tap on the chat icon. Then click on the profile of the person that you want to set nickname of. Now click on their username. Tap on the nicknames button. Again tap on their profile. Now enter the nickname. After that, click on the done button. And that's how you can set nickname on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.